Seal entry points and remove attractants to stop ants from coming back after a homemade borax bait treatment. After borax baits have eliminated the active trail, focus on preventing new scouts from finding food and water. Inspect the perimeter and interior for gaps, cracks, and utility penetrations and seal them with silicone caulk or foam backer rod, concentrating on areas where pipes and wires enter. Keep counters and floors free of crumbs by wiping daily with a 1-to-1 vinegar and water solution which removes scent trails that guide ants. Store dry foods in airtight glass or heavy plastic containers and clean pet food dishes after meals, placing pet bowls on trays that are washed regularly. Manage moisture by fixing leaky faucets and using dehumidifiers in basements to make your home less hospitable to ants. Continue low-profile bait stations in known trouble spots on a monthly schedule so returning ants encounter bait before they find food. Common mistakes include assuming one treatment ends the problem, using repellents that only scatter ants, and neglecting outdoor sources. If you stop at one bait application, new colonies will move in, so maintain monitoring and reapply baits as needed until no activity is seen for several weeks. Spraying broad-spectrum insecticides can push ants deeper into walls or into adjacent properties where they return later, so instead target trails and nesting sites with non-repellent baits. Forgetting yard maintenance, such as trimming vegetation away from the house and removing wood debris, invites nesting close to foundations, so clear a 2 to 3 foot perimeter of vegetation and store wood away from the home. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for repairs like sealing gaps and moisture issues, and it helps contractors find work from neighbors needing those services. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros trade tips on prevention strategies and real-world results.